This revenue update, I didn't expect it at all. And believe me when I say what I'm about to share with us right now is literally going to blow your mind. I was just going through my YouTube analytics this morning and I came across this particular thing. So, what do you have to do as usual? Try your best to make sure you pay attention because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the recent revenue update from one of my most viral video. Believe me when I say you are going to be shocked, okay? And with that much being said, let's dive straight into the video. So before we even delve into the main video, Happy New Year! Yes, I am finally back to my base. No more village video, no more village vlog, okay? Yeah, and I am filming directly from my room, so probably my next video is gonna be from my studio because I'm trying to fix one or two in there. Okay, yeah. So just like as I said earlier on, I was just going through my YouTube studio analysis this morning and I bumped into something that really shocked me. You know, I used to tell us one thing about YouTube. You see, you can never know the video that is going to blow you up. Honestly speaking, this revenue update that I'm about to share with us right now, I want you watching me to take it as a motivation. So I'm going to be going over straight into my YouTube studio analytics and we're going to be reviewing this video together. So as you can see from the screen, this is the video here. This video was published December 19, 2024. I think it's already a year on my channel. This is beautiful. Yeah, so let's quickly go ahead and click on the analytics of this particular video. Now as you can see from the screen, this video has gotten general overview of 291.8k views. Yes, then this is a quick audience retention, not much information here. So for the reach of the video, this video has gotten 3.9 million impression. Oh my god. And this is the impression click through rate, not too bad. I think it's still it's still flowing, yeah, because every single day this video keeps getting views and views. Now this is how viewers found my video: browse features, suggested, and other YouTube features. Now these are the external sites. WhatsApp. Oh my god, I think this changes as time goes on. Before, it used to be Google search. Google search used to be number one on this particular video, and the reason why my video was able to pop up on Google site was because I optimized my video. Optimizing your video just simply means you being able to provide all the important keywords, all the important data of that your video on the title, description, tags, and hashtag. And I think I did a video lately explaining to us how to actually do this, which is this particular video here. You can click and watch the video, okay? So being able to learn how to optimize your video properly is going to help your video go beyond. All right. Now let's quickly go through the YouTube search term. My name, as usual, Princess Chamaka, your favorite sister. Then these are the other stuff that was being searched, and YouTube recommended my video. No views, no subscribers, no watch hours. Turn this off. How to create playlists and a lot of other stuffs. All right. Now let's quickly go through the engagement of the video. This video has given me 17.7k watch time hours. Like, this is crazy. And for us to monetize a YouTube channel, how many watch hours do you even need? You only need 4,000 watch hours, and one video has given me times three of the watch hours. Okay, yeah. So this is the average view duration. Very okay. 3 minutes 38 seconds. That's people actually watch the video. Now this is for the audience, so this is where you need to pay maximum attention also because it matters. All right, now this is what viewers also watch. Not much details, not much information needed here. Okay, so these are the age grade that actually watch this video. Have you seen that almost all the age grade on YouTube actually watch the video, which also contributes? Okay, now these are the gender: male, female. Yeah, so this time around the male was more, not much business there. Okay, now this is the top geography. Wow, it used to be United States that was at the first, but I think recently Nigerians are now paying much more attention to the video. So Nigerians happen to be 27.4%, while United States happen to be 21.5%, which is mind blowing. And this actually contributed to one of the reasons why this video performed very well. So let's quickly go over to the revenue aspect of this. And this video that has gotten 291,000 views actually paid me $1. That's 1.7k dollar. So let us click on it to see how much it is in full. Okay, so this video has paid me $1,751.74. Like, bro, see, if you guys know the the story behind this particular video, this is the same video that I have wanted to delete from my channel, because if care was not taken, or had it been I didn't really act smart, this video is enough to make YouTube delete my channel, this channel that you and I are watching. Oh my god, I think my true subscribers should be able to understand small story behind this video, that is for this particular aspect. And in order for this video not to be too long, I think I'll be sharing that maybe in another video. If you're interested, drop it in the comment section. Okay. Yeah, so this is the supers, and that is how the money actually came. Watch paid ads alone, I got $1,731, which was actually beautiful. So for YouTube Premium, I got $14.32, while for membership I got $4.19. Then super thanks I got $1.40. Short feed ads 000. Yeah, so let's quickly, okay, sorry, before I forget, this is how much advertisers paid for the video. $10.67. And this is how much I got for every 1,000 views, which is the RPM, $6. And yes, if we're to even check how much this is in naira, like, I think, let us quickly check it through my calculation. 1,700 and what again? $1,751. $1,751 multiplied by, let's say dollar is 1.5, and this is what we have. Imagine one particular video earning me 2.6 million. Like, this is mind blowing. So a quick background story on how this video was made and how I posted it. The day I posted this video, like, it was one of the oddest, is that an English? Like, it was, I posted it at a very odd hour. I posted this video by after 11, almost to 12. Like, I have never posted video at such hour before, but that was the time I posted this particular video. And I believe what helped this video, one, just like as I stated earlier on, optimization, and being able to deliver a video at a particular season and time that your audience are hungry, that your audience are in search of that particular video. It's just like you own a restaurant, and in your area there used to be a season whereby people love pizza, just like Xmas period. You know, people are going to go out to order pizza and a lot of other stuffs. Yeah. So your restaurant, there's going to be other restaurant beside you, and you being able to understand, okay, this is a Christmas period and people are going to be interested in getting pizza. You quickly, before others start getting it, you make sure that your restaurant is filled with a lot of pizza. Aren't you going to get customers? Yes. So you see, this real life explanation, it also applies to YouTube. Being able to understand what your audience wants and being able to deliver it at the right time. That is one of the secrets of this particular video. And that was why it performed very well. Not just only this video, I still have other two more that also performed very well. And the revenue is crazy. Yeah, so that's what I used to tell us. Whatever thing you're doing on this YouTube here, just try your best to keep on doing it. Try your best to keep being consistent, because you may never know the video that is going to blow you. I never knew that this video was even going to peak. Now, for you to be surprised, the very first day I posted this video, it didn't perform well. To the next 24 hours, it didn't perform well. I think it was around the third day that I noticed a high spike, and this video has been going viral even till this very moment. So if you're out there watching me and you've ever wondered, can maybe a Nigerian actually earn this amount from one particular video, It's very, very possible. I still have a creator here, Vibisona. One of her most viral video gave her around five, that is over $5,000. And if you calm down to check that money in naira, I don't think we're going to live here today. So YouTube is worth it. I know there are times you're going to be getting the low views. It's normal. Low views is literally going to humble you. These are the stages of YouTube. So low views is normal, but what matters is your consistency. Okay, so try your best to make sure you do not give up on your channel in any way, and see this video as a strong motivation. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this particular video once again, and as always, I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye, thanks for watching.